guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing an easy summer glam makeup look for you. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. I'm going to take a primer now, and the one I'm taking is by Kat Von D, and it's a hydrating primer. I'm going to take a foundation, and this one is also by Kat Von D, and it's just their Lock It foundation, and this one is in Light Warm 43, and it just looks like that. Buffing that in with my Aoife brush. Foundation, I'm just going to take a matte press powder, and this one is by Essence, and it is in pastel beige, and it just looks like that. Go in with the concealer, and this one is by Rimmel. I'm just going to take the Maybelline Master Sculpt in light to medium, which is this one here. Bronzer, and this one is by Rimmel, and it is in Sun Glow, and it just looks like that. by Pennies, and it's the Sweet Peach blusher, which is this one here, and that is what it looks like. And the one I'm going in with is by Barry M, and it's the Liquid Chrome Drops, and they just look like that. I'm just going to take an Essence eyeshadow palette, and this one is in the Salute Paris, which is this one here, and they are the shades I'll be working with today. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing on the eyes. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Sculpt bronzer here, and I'm applying that to the contour of the eye. Take that brown shade from the palette. That brown shade to the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to take the Liquid Chrome again, and I'm just dabbing that along the inner corner of the eye. Liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in golds, and it just looks like that. I'm just going to go in with a darker brown eyeshadow for the inner corner of the eye. Some false eyelashes off camera. I'm now going to take a mascara, and this one is by Essence, and it's their Curl and Hold mascara, and it just looks like that. Take a lip tint from Marissa Carter's own range, Carter Beauty, and this one is in Free Speech, and it just looks like that. Class by NYX on top of that, and this one is in Maple Blondie. So that is the end result, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!